Hello, trading is closed on July 20th, 2015. Let's go over my calls from over the weekend. I said that the commonest occurrence after this pattern was that we had a gap outside of the day's range, which we did. I thought it might be lower, but that's not required. I said the next most common thing is we closed little changed, which also happened. We had a few targets. One was 21.2268. Was most likely to print yesterday. We came within 1 point. That's not close enough. So we had the target to the list. We also had a price of 21.19.87. We said ultimately it would print, and there's no time limit, but you don't usually have to wait long. It was gratifying to see the last failed higher mejt target print. The price was 21.3170. Over here it printed on the dot. There was resistance over it and we closed well under it. So that's the mejt resistance area we've had on our screen for around 2 months. During the day, mejt said ultimately lower prices would print, ultimately higher prices would print. They did get the higher prices and the system said it was a false move. In the afternoon, it said the rally was false and prices would retrace. It said the drop was false and prices would retrace. We have some failed's the wrong word, unfilled targets from the morning pattern. We have 21.24.76, and that's the call for tomorrow. And we have 21.23.64, which ultimately should print. It's not good when you have a gap up, hit a series of higher highs, and can't hold on to any of them at the close. The negative aspects of this would be erased if we could promptly take out this high, ideally by gapping over it. I think it's unlikely. We've gapped up 3 days in a row. That's usually all one has before something else happens. Gapping up the last 2 days hasn't accomplished anything as we couldn't even clear Friday's opening high. I'm still looking for a major top for the 21.34 and change intraday high print to hold and for a drop from this area into the 2070s at least. But the call for tomorrow is 21.24.76 with a few ultimate targets, all maybe about under 10 points under the price where we closed today. And that's today's call.